The objective of this lesson is to have students solve a task rounding to the tens or hundreds to find sums. Students in third grade do not compute with decimals. However, they have a working knowledge of money from second grade. In this lesson, students use that knowledge to estimate the cost of items from a menu. This lesson shows students how rounding and estimation are helpful in a real-world, everyday situation. If you only have $4, what are some combinations of items that you can purchase? Looking at these prices, I don't think you would take the time to calculate the exact price while holding up the line for others waiting to order. You might round the cost to get a closer estimate. For example, the 99-cent items you could round to $1. Hamburgers, hot chocolate, and water. And hot dogs are pretty close to $1 too, so I could purchase all of those things and be within $4. Using rounding to get a friendlier or easier numbers makes the math quicker and easier to do in your head. You might look at this menu and say, the chips round to 50 cents, and so does the popcorn. So those two together is $1. A frozen yogurt rounds to, about 40 cents, and oranges round to 60 cents. That's another $1. Apples round to 50 cents, so I could buy 2 of those, and that would be another $1. And maybe I buy that bottled water to wash it all down, and that would be my $4. Students are asked to come up with at least 3 different combinations of choices within $4. Here are questions asked of your child to challenge and extend their learning. What things would you buy that would get you closest to $4 without going over? If you are charged tax on the listed prices, how would that change the items you selected? If you calculate the exact price, how close is that total to your estimate? To make the game board, simply fold a paper in half and title it Greatest Number and Rounded Number, and then number from 1 to 10. Each player rolls all 3 dice, creates the largest possible number, and records it in the greatest number column. If I roll this, my greatest 3-digit number will be 533, and I record that in the greatest number column. Each player then rounds their number to the hundreds place and records that in the rounded number column. I rolled 533, so that rounded to the nearest hundred is 500. The players continue for 9 more rounds. Each player adds their rounded number column, and the player with the highest rounded total is the winner. Shake, rattle, and roll is a fun way to practice place value addition and rounding. Having you, their role model, involved in math and working together will have a huge impact on their attitude towards mathematics and the importance of it. In this lesson, students use rounding to tens to estimate sums. We met this objective by having students round prices from a menu.